This is called wings. A flat-footed, broad-shouldered thug with a swagger and a hard eye, scrapping over bags of chips in the wet sand, marauding tourists for an easy meal by the sea wall, fighting for scraps and leftovers in a raucous ripped bin bag hell. And yet, a sudden silver-arrowed shock of silver white over the ocean's rolling hills, hurtling, soaring, startling beauty, always the dazzle bright in the storm's eye, catching bright sun on sharp wings of light. And we, trudging along in our 9-to-5 trench, towards the weekend's exercise yard, with no choices that matter, scrapping over crumbs thrown over the walls, making grey our lives, our few precious days, flat-footed, hard-eyed, and so very tired of this. And yet, isn't there that in each of us, in all of us, which would spread its wings to ride the skies and soar, in bright sun and moonlight across the seas of life, chained no more,